pancakes. Pancakes, pancakes, pancakes. Hey everyone, you're watching the Catalina cook, and today we're making pancakes. What's unique about the pancakes that I make are what I put on at the end. Just use your pre-mixed batter if that's what you have on hand. This is the box that I use right there, boom. But today I'm making my own. We're gonna get all these dry ingredients together. I'll put them in a fine mesh strainer. A cup and a half of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And we're just gonna sift it. Make sure that this bowl is large enough that you're gonna be able to mix your batter in. Got a little bit of milk. I can always add more. I got an egg. It can be chunky still, that's perfect. Let's do pancakes. We got our batter, we got our skillet preheating up. Let's lay down some batter, make some cake. It's pancake making time. I'm just using this big spoon and basically just doing one big scoop. Now if you were to put some melted butter in this batter, it would just get really golden brown, super delicious. So if you want that super golden brown pancake, add the melted butter or the oil. That extra fat definitely helps brown it up. A couple raspberries. I love raspberries. Go with 2 full-size blackberries. A flip. You know, as much as I wanted to give you like these perfect golden, super browned up, even pancakes, that just didn't happen for me this morning. I got these kind of half browned up dudes, but that's okay because pancakes is simple like that. It doesn't need to be super perfect. They're cooking up, and the most important thing is what we're gonna put on top of the pancakes anyways. All right, these pancakes. Raspberry is my favorite fruit to go in pancakes. Once the raspberry cooks in the pancakes, it's almost like a little boysenberry syrup pocket. It's super good. Raspberries are really my go-to, but the blackberry lemon curd, I tried about a month ago and it was so good. Making pancakes in the morning, sun just rose, so let's eat some pancakes. We'll catch you next time on the next video. Add stuff into the pancake. Sing and nurture the pancake.